Something awesome, 101 maybe? Okay, there's no book. I can guarantee you that. Alright, first we got a Andre Johnson, Brett Favre, O'Connell, and Devin Thomas, 17 of 20. Not bad. Alright. Got a Plexico, Westbrook, Kevin Smith, and a Barry Sanders. It is 9 of 9. That's pretty nice. Okay. And the last box, last pack. Okay, come on, something good. Alright, we got a Chad Johnson, a Brandon Jacobs, Burton, and a Felix Jones. Nice. Patch 6 of 75. That's pretty nice. Alright, so we got Felix Jones, Barry Sanders, not auto, and a Devin Thomas. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.